Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an advanced chatbot. It is also having different types of features as like many of the chatbot have. So you can upload PDF and you can upload image and you can ask any questions you want, and also you can use it like a Chatgpt, like a chatbot. So many of the comments are telling that it is better than chatbot. Let us go on to today's video and explore the AI chatbot and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on microgrid operation and control. So in this workshop, we are going to model microgrid, that is DC and AC microgrid with PV, wind and that is battery as its input sources. So after that, we are going to interconnect it. So and then we are going to make the operation of the microgrid in that particular standalone mode and also grid connected mode with the proper energy management. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So the AI chatbot what we are going to discuss is that Chatsonic. So many of you can aware about the AI tool called 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻. So in that 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻 it is offering a chatbot called Chatsonic. So in 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻 we have made a video regarding 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻. What are the important AI templates available in this 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻 and how to generate a better content in 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻. So like that we have discussed about 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻 in our videos also. So in this we are going to explore that particular chatbot alone. So the chatbot given by that 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻. So that is called Chatsonic. So this is the dashboard of the Chatsonic. So here you can give an input prompt. So whatever you want, as like Chatgpt, it will generate answers. So after that, here you can see update, upload and chat with your files, links, images and audio. So let us give some research prompts and explore how it will work out for our research paper writing content and how it will generate our research paper writing content. So first I am going to ask for references. So generate 5 recent references on the topic or for the research paper titled titled grid connected, or you can give energy management in microgrid. So like that you can give an input prompt. So let us see. So here you can have a improve prompt option. So you can give improve prompt. So automatically the prompt will be that is updated. So if you want, you can give undo prompt. You can, that is prompt successfully improved. Feel free to edit this text if you need it and then submit it. Automatically it will revise the prompt and it will give a better prompt for you. So next give on enter. Let us see how it will work out for our, that is reference generation. So let us see. So generating the response. So here 5 different references are generated. So I am going to copy this particular title of the paper. So after that what you can do is, so go to Google Scholar, most trusted search engine for research papers. So copy and paste the content here. So here you can see 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻 Asbala, that is, this is the paper. So give cite paper. Here you can see it is published in Scientific Reports 14/1/10059. So go to Chatsonic. So yes, the paper generated by that particular chatbot, that is reference generated by the particular chatbot, is correct only. So you can trust this one to generate a content. So after that I am going to extend this conversation by asking for a literature review. So in this I am going to give from the above generated references, make a literature review. So like that you can give an input prompt. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see the literature review for the individual paper is generated. So but it will give only generally it will give only literature review only. So if you want the more detailed literature review regarding this kind of papers, so you can try our templates, that is LMS research support templates. So in this LMS research support templates, you will be having 5 different research support templates especially designed for literature review, starting from instant literature review to detailed literature review. So you can use this template. So but as far as this kind of chatbot is concerned, so you will get only a common literature review, so you cannot get a detailed literature review. So if you are preparing a conference paper, means so it is acceptable to write a conference paper. So when you are going for a review paper or a SEA indexed paper, preparing a SEA indexed paper, so you may not use this kind of literature review. So you can go for a detailed literature review. So like this kind of tools, that is like our tools, that is LMS research support or any other literature review writing tools. So okay, next we will make from the above literature review, make a problem statement in paragraph. So like that you can give an input prompt. So let us see how it will generate the content. Yes, the problem statement for that particular content will be generated. So you can make use of this option. So like that you can give whatever the input prompt you want. You can generate better answers using this research support tool, that is the chatbot. So and then you can here you will be having an option called add. So in this add and chat with your files, so you can upload your files. For example, I am going to upload a document. So here I am going to upload this document, that is short term load forecasting in smart grids. So I am going to upload this document. It will take several seconds to upload this document. So here you can upload a PDF, that is your reference paper. So and then you can generate a content using this kind of that is, yes, your PDF is uploaded from the given input from the above paper. Provide 5 important key points to be considered, or so like that you can give an input. So let us see how it will analyze that particular content from that particular that is the paper we have uploaded, reference paper we have uploaded. So yes, it is generating a better content only. Integration of renewable energy, that the research emphasizes the integration of renewable energy sources, PV, wind turbine. So next, electric vehicle charging station, energy storage integration. So it is not general content. All these things are present in that paper, as I was familiar with that paper. So you can try out with your own reference paper also. So after that, what you can do is you have generated the that is analysis of that particular content. So like that you can try this kind of prompt in this particular Chatsonic also. So also you can upload an image. Let us explore some of the image. So going to desktop again. So you can select any block diagram. For example, we often use it to give this block diagram. Select the block diagram. So and you can give a explain image. So explain the attached image. So like that you can give. So Googlebot is one of the best tool where you can analyze a particular image and it will provide a content. So here provide context. So I am going to give provide context. There are many options it is asking for. So elaborate content. So like that it will asking for a that is different options. So it will analyze that particular image very progressively and then it will generate answer for us. So let us see how it will generate answer for our uploaded image. So here you can see I currently don't have capability to interpret or analyze image. If you provide description or details, so from the text only it will analyze the image, so it is not working well. That is that upload image option. So but you can try out with this upload document option. So you can upload your reference paper and then try to generate a better content out of it using your input prompt. So this is how you can use this Chatsonic to generate a better content. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so click on upgrade. So these are the plans and pricing content. So it will be free for limited words, so you can go on and explore with your limited words. Here you can have a download option also, so you can download or copy whatever you want, you can add with this content. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy using this chatbot. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.